Vantage or Pepperstone, which one will actually work better for you? Hey, I'm Andy Roberts from FXEmpire.com, and we've reviewed countless brokers over the years, so we've gotten pretty good at spotting what matters, especially the red flags that most traders miss. Both Vantage and Pepperstone are widely used, yet they're aimed at different kinds of traders. We've spent hours testing both platforms, and in the next few minutes I'm going to walk you through the key differences: trust, fees, platforms, and what you can trade with them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which broker fits your trading style best. Alright, let's go. Let's start with the basics. Which broker feels more reliable? Vantage launched in 2009 in Sydney, Australia. Today it runs multiple entities worldwide. It's licensed by 5 regulators, 3 top-tier ones: ASIC in Australia, the UK's FCA, and South Africa's FSCA. The other 2 are lower-tier licenses from the Cayman Islands and Vanuatu. What does that mean for you? With most entities, you get solid client protections. Your money is kept in segregated accounts, so the broker can't touch it for their own use. 4 of Vantage's entities also give you negative balance protection. The Cayman Islands branch is the only exception. On top of that, Vantage is a member of the Financial Commission and offers extra Lloyd's of London insurance up to $1 million. Pepperstone came along a year later in 2010 and is also based in Australia. They've expanded fast with offices in London, Cyprus, Germany, Dubai, and Kenya. When it comes to regulation, Pepperstone has a slight edge. It's licensed by 7 regulators, including 4 Tier 1 authorities: CySec in Cyprus, the UK's FCA, ASIC in Australia, and BaFin in Germany. All entities keep client money segregated at major banks and provide negative balance protection. One note, their compensation scheme is available only for 3 entities, those regulated in the UK, Cyprus, and Germany. Both brokers use a no dealing desk setup. That means your trades head straight to the market without broker interference. Vantage runs as a true ECM broker. It matches buyers and sellers directly, which is highly transparent. The downside is that spreads can widen more during quiet market conditions. Pepperstone pulls prices from multiple top-tier banks and liquidity providers. Execution is fully automated and averages just 30 milliseconds. That's great for speed and consistency, especially if you scalp or trade actively. Bottom line, both brokers are highly trusted and well regulated. They each have strong safeguards to protect your money. Vantage stands out for its extra Lloyd's insurance and strong focus on protection and risk control. It's a great choice if you prefer a safer, more diversified approach. Pepperstone has the edge in Tier 1 regulation and execution speed. That makes it a top pick for active traders who are looking for speed and precision in every order. Now let's talk about costs. Vantage offers 3 retail accounts: Standard, Raw, and Pro. The Standard account is commission-free with floating spreads from around 1.1 pips. The Raw account offers spreads from 0.0 pips with a $6 round-turn commission per lot. Both require only a $50 minimum deposit. The Pro account has the most favorable pricing, raw spreads from 0.0 pips with a very low $3 round-turn commission, but it comes with a $10,000 minimum deposit. The Standard Vantage account features a combination of a 50% margin call and a 20% stop out. This gives you more time to react if your balance drops. It also helps close trades before losses get out of control, lowering the risk of going negative. The Raw account offers even better pricing with the same $50 minimum deposit. We tested the spreads on Vantage's Standard account, and you can see the results in this table. Overall, spreads were below industry average across most assets, except for major currency pairs. Swap fees are about average, and swap-free trading is available through an Islamic account. There are also no fees for deposits or withdrawals. Now over to Pepperstone. They offer 2 main accounts, Standard and Razor. The Standard account is beginner-friendly, no commissions, and you can trade micro lots. The Razor account is better suited for experienced traders. It offers raw spreads from 0.0 pips and a $3 commission per lot per side, $6 round trip, which is typical for raw spread accounts. Both accounts have a 50% margin call and a 20% stop out, giving you some extra protection from going into negative balance. In our tests, Pepperstone spreads were below average across all asset classes. Forex pairs and commodities were often better priced than Vantage, while Vantage had an edge on some crypto and European stock indices. Swap fees are about average, and there are no extra charges for deposits, withdrawals, or inactivity. Pepperstone also offers a Pro account with leverage up to 1 to 500 for those who qualify, plus a swap-free Islamic account. One standout perk, Pepperstone has no minimum deposit. You can start trading with whatever amount suits your budget. So which pricing model suits you better? Both brokers offer competitive pricing, well ahead of many other brokers. Vantage delivers strong value with tight spreads and an ultra-low commission pro account for high-volume traders. Pepperstone has no minimum deposit and consistently offers ultra-low spreads across all asset classes. If you want plenty of choice in account types and pricing models, Vantage is a solid pick. If you're chasing the tightest spreads across the board, Pepperstone has the edge. Alright, pricing matters, but so do the platforms. Let's see what each broker offers. Vantage supports MT4 and MT5, plus their flagship pro trader platform powered by TradingView. So it's great if you want advanced charting out of the box. Pro Trader packs over 150 technical indicators, drawing tools, and chart layouts. You can use it with a funded account of at least $200. The Vantage mobile app is another highlight. It's intuitive, packed with features, and more versatile than standard MT5. You can place trades, manage your account, and even access copy trading, all from the app. Plus, Vantage includes Auto Chartist and research from Trading Central. VPS hosting is available for funded active accounts, with latency dropping below 5 milliseconds, great for high-speed strategies. Pepperstone takes things a step further with its platform lineup. You get MT4 and MT5, both upgraded with 28 custom indicators and EAs. There's also CTrader for copy and automated trading, TradingView, and Pepperstone's own platform. TradingView is great for beginners and casual traders with its clean charts and simple layout. CTrader is a favorite among advanced traders who need precision and speed. Pepperstone clients get free access to Auto Chartist, a tool that highlights key chart patterns and support resistance zones, which is great for saving time on technical analysis. Copy trading is available via Pepperstone Copy Trading and CTrader Copy. Like Vantage, Pepperstone offers VPS hosting, but the real highlight is execution speed. Trades are processed in about 30 milliseconds with a 99.8% fill rate. There's no dealing desk interference, and prices come straight from top-tier liquidity providers. All in all, both brokers offer great platforms, copy trading, and VPS hosting. If you want a sleek mobile app and advanced charting from the start, go with Vantage's Pro Trader. If you're a scalper, algo trader, or want maximum platform choice, Pepperstone is hard to beat with its variety, MT4, MT5 upgrades, and lightning-fast execution. Finally, what can you actually trade with each broker? Vantage offers over 1,000 instruments. This includes nearly 800 share CFDs, 61 forex pairs, 29 indices, 23 commodities, 57 cryptocurrencies, 7 bonds, and a range of futures and ETF contracts for hedging volatility. The futures lineup is especially useful for swing and position traders. We also liked Vantage's above-average crypto selection, plus the flexibility of trading certain cryptos and metals in multiple currencies: US dollar, Japanese yen, and euro. Pepperstone goes even broader with more than 1,350 CFDs. That covers more than 1,000 stocks, around 90 forex pairs, 23 indices, 40 commodities, and more than 100 ETFs. A big highlight is the stocks offering. You can trade over 1,000 share CFDs, and 116 of the most popular are available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Quick summary. Now that we've seen what both brokers offer, let's break down the pros and cons, starting with Vantage. Here's what it does well. You get Lloyd's insurance up to $1 million for extra protection. There's diversified market access, including ETFs and futures for hedging, plus a big crypto selection. Fees are competitive, especially for indices and crypto. Research is strong with Auto Chartist, Trading Central, and in-house insights. Pro Trader gives you TradingView style charting without extra setup. And education is solid with regular webinars and a strong focus on trading psychology. A few drawbacks. Spreads on forex pairs are higher than average. Futures trading requires more market knowledge. There are fewer stocks than Pepperstone offers, and no 24/5 stock CFD trading. Now over to Pepperstone. First of all, it delivers ultra-fast execution around 30 milliseconds with a 99.8% fill rate. It's licensed by more regulators overall, including 4 Tier 1 authorities. Spreads are tight across all asset classes, and there's no minimum deposit for either account type. Platform choice is super strong. MT4, MT5, CTrader, and TradingView are all supported, plus Pepperstone's own custom platform. The broker also offers a wider range of instruments, over 1,350 CFDs, including a big stock selection with 24/5 access to 116 popular shares. A few watchouts: no futures or bond trading. Smaller crypto selection compared to Vantage. The compensation scheme covers only 3 entities and there's no extra insurance like Vantage's Lloyd's policy. So which broker is the better fit for you? In short, if you want diversified exposure with ETFs and futures, strong research and advanced charting, Vantage is a great match, especially if you prefer a more conservative, risk-controlled approach. If you're after low raw pricing, ultra-fast execution, a wide platform lineup, and robust copy or algorithmic tools, plus 24/5 stock trading, Pepperstone is hard to beat, particularly for active traders and scalpers. Still not sure? Try both demo accounts and see which one feels better for your workflow. You'll find the best sign-up links in the description below. Just click to get started with the top offers in your region. And if this helped, give us a like and drop a comment to let us know which broker you'd go with.